payment terminals, EV charging points, vehicles, smart meters, remote monitoring devices and cameras. The devices you connect to the internet become part of your critical infrastructure, and they can affect the things that matter most: your reputation, your customers, your business, and your compliance. Compromised devices aren't just IT issues, they're security issues. They can disrupt operations, compromise customer data, trigger regulatory investigation, and lead to significant financial penalties. Many of these devices are remote, physically exposed, unmanaged, and increasingly targeted. They exist beyond the protected perimeter, and with limited visibility of threats, disruption can occur without you realizing. They can disrupt operations and increase regulatory and financial exposure under frameworks such as NIS2, PCI DSS, and GDPR. That's why Anomaly and Threat Detection protects where issues occur in device connections. It monitors device behavior in real time. First, it establishes a baseline of normal activity. Then, it can detect the first signs of anomalies and attacks as they occur. You don't have to install a device agent, change firmware, or keep updating it. And you don't have to manage it. It just keeps working. With Anomaly and Threat Detection from Wireless Logic, you can detect threats earlier, improve visibility, reduce disruption, take action, and ensure regulatory compliance, all of which helps you stay compliant and keep your operations running. Protect your devices and you'll look after the things that matter most.